Adding, addition of 3 and 1-digit numbers. When adding larger numbers, we look for easy combinations and use number bonds. 384 plus 8 plus 7. Start with the biggest number and move it up to the next 10. So 384 plus 8. Using our number bonds, we need to add another 6 to 384 to take it to the next 10. That takes it to 390 and we're left with another 2, so it's 392. Now we need to add the 7. 392 plus 7 equals 399. Jenny has 244 stickers. She buys 8 more. How many stickers does she have? What's the question asking you to do? Add 244 and 8. 244 plus 8. Using our number bonds, we need another 6 to take 244 to the next 10. Split 8 into 6 plus 2. Now 244 plus 6 is 250, plus another 2 equals 252. So Jenny has 252 stickers. Read the question carefully to understand what we need to do. A school has 213 pupils, 12 teachers and 9 TAs. How many people are there altogether? What's the question asking you to do? Add the pupils 213 plus the teachers 12 plus the TAs 9. Start with the biggest number and move it to the next 10. The commutative law says we can add in any order, so let's add 9 to 213. We need to use 7, our number bonds, to take 213 to the next 10. So take 7 from 9 and we're left with another 2. 220 plus 2 equals 222. Now we need to add on 12. 12 is the same as 10 plus 2. So we have 222 plus 10, 232 plus 2, 234. There are 234 people altogether. Some questions might include units. A man is 178 centimetres tall, his shoes add an extra 3 centimetres and his hat adds an extra 5 centimetres. How tall will he be with his shoes on but without his hat? What's the question asking you to do? Add the height of the man 178 centimetres plus his shoes 3 centimetres. We don't need to add his hat. We add the numbers as normal and then include the right units in our answer. 178 plus 3. We need to take 2 from the 3 to move 178 to the next 10 using our number bonds. It's 180 plus another 1, 181. Don't forget the units, it's centimetres. The man is 181 centimetres tall without his hat. Some questions have more steps. Yellow and red card records are shown for the following teams. Which team got the most cards altogether, purple or blue? What's the question asking you to do? For the purple team, add the yellow cards 193 and the red 8. 193 plus 8, we need to use 7 from the 8 to make 193 to the next 10 or 200. We have 200 plus 1, 201. Now for the blue team, add 195 plus the 7. 195 plus 7, we need to use 5 from the 7 to take 195 to the next 10 or 200, and we're left with 2 more. It's 202. Now we need to compare the numbers to see which is bigger. 202 is more than 201. So the blue team got the most cards. Remember, when adding larger numbers, we look for easy combinations and use number bonds. Read the question carefully to understand what it's asking you to do. If the question includes units, add the numbers as normal, but remember to include the right units in your answer.